take a look at the reading fill in the blanks practice number 4. And for this one, it's a little bit difficult. The reason is because we got a lot of options for one blank, and there's vocabulary that you might not be familiar with, but let's give it a try. Now, the first one right here, we see the preposition, right? And we have a full stop here. So this is the end, my friend. What does that mean? We need to have a noun. And with that said, this noun needs to be plural or non-countable. You can't write a singular noun. So let's go take a look. Non-countable, relief. It's a noun. I feel relief. That's a non-countable noun. Expression, countable noun. This one's not good. This one's plural. We need a plural noun. It can work. Obviously, it's not a noun. ing is a noun, can be used as a noun. You might not know what this word means, but it can be used as a noun. And then celebrities, also plural. Simply not a noun. So we actually have 4 options. That's a lot, right? But let's take a look at the clues. There's one word right here. Sense. What does that mean? Sense means feel. You feel something, right? Now, if that word means feel, you probably don't want to feel people, right? That's illegal. Stop it. Now, there are 2 words in here that represent people. Do you agree audiences are people and celebrities are people? I don't believe when you're dealing with sense, you actually feel people. So this wouldn't be a suitable option, or these 2 wouldn't be suitable options. Then we're left with 2, relief and foreboding. Now, we might not know what the other word means. Then let's try to take a guess. Now, we have 2 options. Let's see if we can go positive and negative. Do you know the word relief? If you do, does that sound like a positive or a negative word? Would you agree that relief is a positive word? That's the only time you will say it is when it's in the positive. Then let's just treat this as a negative. Let's see if it works. So let's look at this sentence right here. This is the entire sentence that we're dealing with, this right here. And see if they use any negative words. If they do, we don't go positive. And would you agree? We have the word beware. We have the word warning. Even forever and build. We don't need to know what that word means. But 2, warning and beware is already enough. We stick to the negative. So I would put this one, which is the correct answer. All right. Now, this one right here, we also need to have a noun. But this time around, we don't know if it's going to be singular, plural, or non-countable because of the. Okay? So with that said, we got to take a look at this quotation. What does it mean when you quote something or quote someone? It means you are referring to something that has already been said, right? That's what the quotation means. You are referring to something that has been said. Now, let's take a look at the nouns. We have relief, expression, audiences, celebrities. Which one of these nouns would go best to refer to something that someone has said? Hopefully you know. If not, I understand. This one is difficult. But expression. Expression is something that people say, right? So this right here would be our noun. And it's a countable noun, but we don't need to make it plural because of the. All right? Now, next one. This right here, doesn't mean anything until we check the back. And the back right here, we have a noun. We have a noun. So what can we put in front of the? Now, this is a be verb. When you have a be verb and then a the, you can have ing, right? Because we're using it as a verb. It was doing something, right? But we don't have ings to pick from here. Then for sure we cannot have nouns. This is a noun, this is a noun, this is a noun. We only have 2 types of words. Adverbs. You cannot put a noun in front of the. So, with that said, we can use one of these adverbs. Standard is our clue. Standard is the clue because It means basic. It means easy. Would you agree? And which one of these words lean in that direction? Would you agree? Simply could do that, can tell you that something is a little bit easy. And then lastly, attending his play. Now you know it's got to be a person, right? Who can attend plays? Well, we have two nouns, audiences and celebrities. They can attend plays. And if you look here, why would they say celebrities? Because the people that attend plays, the people that watch plays, they're called audiences. Obviously, celebrities can, but are they only talking about celebrities? Nah, they're not. So I would pick audiences. This one was a little bit difficult. I hope it made sense though.